Hey guys, we just got this 2006 Impreza WRX Wagon in. It's got 165K on it. Doesn't run, probably jump timing. The wheels are good. It's got those red 4-pot brakes on them. Doors are good. Interior is pretty clean. Airbags deployed. Driver seats worn a little bit like usual. Stereo's good. It's got a nice one of these mirrors in it. No sunroof though. Doors are pretty clean. Back seats are pretty clean. The carpet's really nice. It's got a nice set of wheels and tires on it. I'm gonna put those on Facebook if anybody wants them. The rear looks good. Taillights are good if you want to upgrade. The rear's got red brakes on them. Those will probably end up going pretty quick. It's got some nice tires. Anybody needs some roof racks? There's some roof racks on it. Hood scoop's pretty good. Motor's in there. Timing's not hit, but it won't start. I don't know why. We'll figure it out. But it's a complete car. Headlights actually even good on this side. Hood's toast. We're parting this thing out here next week. If you guys need one, get on our website, look up the car number, give us a call.